actually copy me.
Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman, and I've just stumbled upon these absolutely gorgeous gargantuan, I think, blossoms. I mean, look at the like massive snowballs. I don't know what they are. I've never seen them before, but one of the splendours of summer, and these are absolutely phenomenal, absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that, it's like a snow-capped mountain. Look at that, they're all joined together. Wow, look at that. Wonderful balls of flowers, absolutely fantastic. I wonder what they smell like. I'm going to quickly try and smell one. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Smell a bit flowery. Nice, not the nicest perfume I've ever smelled, but nice enough. And let's just zoom in. As you zoom in, actually, look, there's some wasps doing their job. Oh, look, getting nectar. There we go, look. So there we are, look. It's great for them. I was loving it. These guys are loving it even more, look at that. Oh, this is their life. Looks really great, doesn't it, look. They've got what they want in abundance. And I'm sure it smells lovely to them, look at them. There's lots of them all over. Nature. This is live nature. Look at it. So you can zoom in a bit more as well. And there we go. Look at that. So we can actually see now what they're doing with it. Look. Wow, look. That is pretty amazing. Really zoomed in, sorry. Difficult to keep straight there. There we go. In fact, we can very clearly see what they are doing. That's beautiful. So I believe those are wasps. There are other flies on there as well. That one definitely is some sort of wasp. Quite a small wasp.